What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to connect Exness to MT5. We have a demo account, and in order to connect Exness to MT5 we'll need a real account. So go ahead and click on open account. Then we're going to choose the type of account. We're going to go with standard and then scroll down and click on continue. Here you have your currency, the nickname of this account. We're going to leave it as standard. And for the max leverage, you have 1 to 1000. We're going to leave it at that. And then select the platform. Going to select MT5. Then we're going to choose a trading password and make sure it meets this criteria. Click on create account. As you can see, it's been successfully created. Going to scroll down. Now I'm going to go over to where we have the three dots, click on it, and then select account information. Right here, you can see MT5 login and the server. We're going to now open our MT5 app and put in these details with the password which we used when we were creating this account. So right here on our MT5 Trader app, we're going to go to the bottom right corner, tap on settings, and then at the top area, you're going to tap on new account. Now here you're going to put in the server. We have Exness MT5 Real 30. So we're going to type it just the same way. Of course, there is a hyphen between Exness and MT5, so we're going to take note of that. And then we're going to tap on search and then select the option available. Now, as you can see, under use existing account, you can see their server Exness MT5 Real 30. Just exactly as it is on Exness. Now we need to put in our login, which is what we have right there, and then the password. And then after tapping on done, we now have our Exness connected to MT5. To confirm, you can go over to settings once again, and at the top you can see Exness with our MT5 login and the server. You can go ahead to quotes and start trading.